What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So we're on the road again. We have just landed in Seattle, and Rome's parents have actually picked us up. So yeah, shout out to them. They were waiting there with a sign and everything. It's so cool. You know, obviously first time meeting them. It's sick. Oh yeah, here we go. Got our sign. I love it. Yeah, awesome people. So yeah, we're just waiting on getting their rental car. Because we were actually very lucky that Rome sorted them out to pick us up, because the track is an hour away from the airport or something, and we had no plans. So it would have been a hell of an expensive Uber or an expensive taxi ride. So yeah, super sick, and it's cool that they picked us up and just having cool conversations and stuff. But yeah, so today is pack-in day at FD. So we're pretty much, I think we're gonna grab the rental car, and then we're gonna, I think, head straight to the track. Rome flies in very shortly, so he shouldn't be too far behind us. But yeah, we're just out here. The weather here is beautiful. It's like maybe 20 degrees here, which is sick. Like nice t-shirt weather, but it's not too hot. Like you could be in a hoodie and it's nice. So yeah, super excited to get to the track and kind of get this weekend underway. It's going to be cool. Yeah, out of the Vegas heat. So yeah, now we're Seattle, Washington, which is like the Pacific Northwest, which is crazy. Like we're just hopping all over the country. It's sick. I love it. That's the whole point of this trip, and meet as many people as we can, and yeah, see what we can come up with. Yeah, no, the tire's exploded. It's simply on the rim, and he's not even gonna know. That wheel. Oh well. Alright, so we've just made it into the pits here at FD, and this is crazy. It's set up day, so everyone's just cruising around, but look.
You have to get in the inside.
RTR.
Well, once you go in, then you have to go back this way. You go in here.
We'll have a hell of a walk around. We've got a lot to see this weekend.
I don't know.
It's gonna be crazy. So we thought we'd just quickly come out onto the track while nothing's happening. It's Thursday, but so we don't get in trouble, hopefully. The bank is nowhere near as steep as I thought it was, to be honest, but yeah, crazy. Actually, I lie, it is pretty steep. Like, it's from far back, it doesn't look that steep as I thought, but like if we're down here on the pole line, it is pretty. I don't know what the angle would be, but yeah, not too bad. But yeah, it's been sick. It's like perfect weather here. It's about, I would say it's what, 22 degrees? 24?
24.
Yeah, maybe. Like, it's not too bad at all. It's very, like, yeah, you can kind of handle it. It's not like bloody Vegas where it's just stupid hot. But yeah, we're just walking the track. We've just seen Robe Nishida drive past, seen James Dean, seen all these people, and it's just like, holy shit. It's cool though. There's not many people here. It's great. Kind of get in before it gets mad. But yeah, this is crazy. It's going to be a sick weekend. This is really what we've come to see. Some derby buses. This is what I'm about. Number 7, Beauty Boy. Yeah, that would be hilarious to watch around here. Well, this one's got a mean paint job. A lot of effort gone into this. Surely an AWS graphics design. Look at it. Yeah, so you come off the wall, like out there somewhere, and coming into here, it's actually really skinny. But because it's an outer zone, I don't think it really matters. Like, yeah, it's quite shallow through here. It's quite not as wide as I thought. And those are concrete walls. Shit's gonna be hectic. So it's clever. They've got like a noodle over the top, so that I guess if a drone was on top, you can kind of see the line as well. That's pretty clever. Shows the clipping point or the clipping zone, and then obviously the outside zone over here. I want to see what these BC things feel like, because you see them getting smashed to bits on TV all the time. Yeah, they're just plastic. Got a big bloody rubber weight thing on the bottom. But yeah, look, they've just like printed a graphic and just rolled it onto the wall. That looks, it looks flash. That's the way to do it though. That's mint. Yeah, outside zone here, and then into the inner clip around the outside. That's weird. It looks pretty tricky, like be out here somewhere and then duck in. Interesting. So yeah, it's good that they got these hash marks, because then you can like tell, because you want to be in that kind of zone, I think, and then like in between those two. But yeah, that gives you the judges kind of reference. Yeah, the big stadium or like seating area. This is quite tight actually. So yeah, you got to come through there and then out to this outer zone out here on the wall, and then the finish line. So Rome's just turned up. Now we've got to fill out all of this area with this colourful canopy.
It is
Hi.
alive. Hello. Welcome to the States.
Yes, brother.
To the States. He finally made it. For all you YouTube guys, if you're wondering, he made it all the way out here.
Yeah, yeah. I love this.
Some of my things didn't, but yeah, bumper's off a little bit. It's part of the fun though. We'll get it all.
Is it a
set up.
fixie?
It is, yeah.
Yeah, sick. Alright. Start unloading. How's this for a pit setup? Off the side of the trailer. It's a massive marquee.
Which one's too short?
One of these is short.
Is this it?
Hey, it's not in all the way over here. Carson's over here. He's just super tall, so he doesn't even matter. Doesn't need anyone. The boys are on.
No, you don't have to finish this.
Oh, big truck driver.
Yeah, you gotta do that little hole up there, but.
Biggest, the widest thing is the mirrors, but the edge of the mirrors is the width of the rear tires. It's dually, so it's double wide. So.
Rome's tip of the day, driving a big truck.
Yes. If your mirror's clear, you fit.
Yeah.
Yeah, most people don't. Like they're all toters. Like this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 toters in a row. Yeah. These are all 4-car stackers. So you can fit 4 cars today. Do you know how many you guys have?
20B. AWS graphics.
Sorry guys, I might be
We're just in the burnout box.
Yeah. If you look at these, the toter home setup, so like
Yeah, these are
multiple
sick.
car stackers, 4 or 5 car stackers.
We couldn't even drive that on the road. It'll like take up both lanes.
It does here too. I'll hit them. I don't know if they're coming this way or that way.
Take them on.
Yeah, turkey tail.
Are you looking at the superior chassis?
It is the best car. We did a tally last round and he even voted for the 36.
So yeah, Rome's got his setup all up in here. It's so crazy. I wish we could have a tent like this. Hi.
Thanks.
Look, he's even got a TV on the wall. Big upgrade. And then yeah, just got, these guys are running 285 Vitors. So yeah, big dogs. Seems to be alright. So I just went out with Rome and did a bit of a track walk and a bit of like an interviewee thing, bit of a reel and stuff for his Instagram. So Leo, can you chuck his Instagram right there, please? Everyone, make sure you do head over and follow Rome. Oh, it's right there actually. Look at that, Rome CP. Make sure you guys go follow it. But yeah, it's sick. They've got the car in here. They've just kind of setting everything up. Did a diff change got the wheels off, doing a bit of a bolt check. Got everything going on. We'll check out Rome's car with him maybe tomorrow or something. But yeah, the boys are under there sorting out what disc gears they want to run. Got it all going on. The girls are over here sorting out all the merch, folding everything. But got lights here as well on these bars. So sick. So we have to go get our fuel.
Jerry's volunteered to come though. Oh wait, still lost something.
What's that?
Oh, the guy lost a bracelet.
Bracelet. Oh well. Leave it there where he left it. So what, are you gonna go in front of it?
We're just gonna send it down and hope the reader's car stops this thing.
Yeah, fair enough.
Yeah.
It's only another LS car, we don't need that.
He's bumped me enough. So we're just bumping back a little bit. There's your RB car, the only RB car out here. So it runs and everything.
It's running right now.
I know. That's because you're here. Look at that.
Alright.
I think that's the billet block RB30?
Yeah, nah, billet 32, isn't it? 32.
32, damn.
I think so. And Rome's a legend. We ended up getting his special crew shirts, so we got one each, which you cannot buy. So yeah, super thankful for him hooking us that like that. Very privileged. But yeah, the boys are nearly done here, setting up the car and just kind of getting everything ready for tomorrow because practice starts at 9:30 with driver's briefing. Drivers meeting at 8:30, so it's a really early start. I think we're leaving the Airbnb at 6 or something. So yeah, it's going to be a long day tomorrow, but yeah, looking forward to it. Yeah, they're just getting the car off the jack stands, and then yeah, I think we're going to head out, head to the Airbnb, get some dinner, and I guess yeah, probably try and get some sleep. Yeah, and then it's going to be a long day tomorrow, but yeah, we have made it here to finally to Formula Drift. It's going to be amazing. Like, just looking around, the rigs are crazy. I'll try my best this weekend to like have a good look around, show you guys as much as I can, and all of that. But yeah, it's going to be wild, and I'm really looking forward to it. And catching up with a few good people that we met over Drift Week. Tyler, Alex, and the team. They're from up here, so it's going to be cool to hang out with them and catch up. And you know, it's just kind of cool. That's the whole point of Drift Week. You know, we made all these friends all around the country that we can, you know, hang out with and catch up with. So it's going to be sick. So, yeah, I'm going to call it a day here, guys. Thanks heaps for watching. Yeah, really appreciate everyone's support. The channel is growing so fast compared to lately. So it's just been crazy the last like week or so. So yeah, massive shout out again to Leo for putting these videos all together. It's been so handy. I'm trying my best to get Wi-Fi. The last couple of days in Vegas we haven't had Wi-Fi enough to send videos. So yeah, it's a bit hard, but it's all good. Alright guys, thanks heaps for watching. Please again, make sure you do like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.